By the time it's plugged in, we got an LED stripe on here and a speaker inside the demo case. So you can show the customer of how to use independent from the iPad, how to use the control functionality by just pressing one of those keys here. So what I do if I show up at the customer side, first I plug it in, then I of course explain the motorization, which is still a very unique feature. As Arthur mentioned, some of the customers says, well, but I don't need that. If you explain that they need that because it's so unique and so cool, then I'm sure they buy that. So, of course, motorization is something special, and people are scared that it get damaged or stuff. But we test the motorization 200,000 cycles, which means 30 years in lifetime from time to time. So it's pretty reliable. And after 65,000 installations globally and an RMA rate, a return rate from 0.8%, we can tell that it's reliable and they don't have to be scared. But if you press the button over here on the right top corner and the tray opens automatically and you insert the iPad, the customer will say, wow, that's pretty cool. And yes, it is cool. We are the only ones globally who is offering a motorized iPad dock. And I mean, all of you know that our customers, they sell cinemas for $100,000. So they can't tell me that they don't have some spare money for a motorized iPad dock. It's just the 1,500. So the super rich customers, which is pretty much our target group, and the commercial customers, money is not a big issue. You can see here, it's fully made out of glass. As I told, the LED stripe and the speaker. We also get a play button on here. If you have music on your iPad, you can play music through the speaker and mute and unmute the music, or just control volume by pressing the buttons. So by the time the iPad is in the dock and connected through the Lightning connector, you can control the iPad through those buttons as well. What we did not activate it when we shipped the case is security. For one reason, because then you would call me an hour later and ask me of how to release the iPad. So therefore, I want to demonstrate how to activate and deactivate the security feature. Please do me a favor and download the iRoom app on your iPad. Open the iRoom app. If here is written iPad not connected, double click, close it one more time, and open it. We know it's a bug, and we will launch this new firmware in 2 weeks. So you can see here the iRoom app. First rubric is network settings. Second is just general settings, where you can also activate and deactivate the security. By the time you activate or deactivate the security and you want to open the dock, stay 5 seconds on the home button. It starts flashing over here, and enter the right PIN code. So all you need to do is just play a little bit with the case. As I said, it's an $800 demo case. Try to get used to it. Don't be scared. Try to get used to it. We can send you the default settings after time you screwed up something. We all got your serial numbers, so we can remotely get access to your Democase and repair everything. So don't be scared about that. If one of you guys also uses the iTop, same as here. Most important is the iRoom app, It asks you about the password. Okay. I don't know who found this stupid word, iBezel. Exactly same here, just with the one difference. If the iPad is locked here we said press 5 seconds the home button and enter the right pin code on your keypad here. Here it's different. Just press 2 in the same time. It doesn't matter which 2, but press 2 buttons in the same time. Enter the right pin code and press the green button to release the iPad. Okay? So that's the only difference. Here you press 5 seconds on the right top corner. Here you press 2 buttons in the same time. All the other settings are the same. Okay? So the Democase got a relay box inside, which also allows you to change those icons here. It's so bright in the video, so I don't want to show it. To change those icons, or wave your hand and turn on the light or whatever. Do me a favor, play with it, give me a feedback. Let me know what we can do better, and let me know if something doesn't work. Whatever, we are more than happy to do a quick FaceTime call or another Zoom call and help you out with some possible issues. But the most important thing, use those demo cases. Those are important, and they were really expensive. I mean, it's $800 for free for your use, and yeah, that's a big commitment from our side to you. That we are proud to have the best reps in the country and support the best demo materials. Okay. So that's actually my presentation. Quick summary, plug it in, wait 30 seconds, show the motorization, show the control, show the security, and then sell the tool. Thanks, guys.